Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking at the weight in newtons of an object on Mercury with a mass of 90 kilograms. We're given that the formula for weight is W is equal to mg, where weight is W and it's equal to mg, so m is the mass times g is the acceleration due to gravity. So for this, we are looking for the mass is 90 kilograms, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. It's going to be different on every planet, and we are looking at Mercury, which, given this chart right here, correlates with 3.6 meters per second squared. So all we have to do here is multiply m times g, so we have 90 times 3.6. And this is just going to correlate to your weight, and when you calculate this out, plug it into your calculator, do it by hand, whatever, you're going to get 324. And this is measured in newtons. So what is the weight in newtons of an object on Mercury with a mass of 90 kilograms? It's going to be 324 newtons. So your final answer is 324, which is D. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.